Hello agus bhaitcí hiic na seanslaí mas maiidh seansa ghlacu ghlaciad ar na seanslaí. Is muis hiúmi go cara agus seo é ar céad sa something eagrán yo clú go muis fi lethir cé never time 3 gets gar
Céad sa chuig sílim.
Tá lein eagrán don na seanslaí agus mu go linn don cin seo ar le man seo mu hiúmi go ceart man seo marscara agus lom ar ahanana le cin don na céad cear céad chuig eagrán sin man seo le mu cóleaci lemáid cairde ar dúspáirt man seo le aine bhuiir aine go beartaithe.
Ja, go maiid tá mé garc ar an smoothie ganta a bhí lá James an sin agus tas ar tart am le fearna le go gant ar James bhfuil sé blasta. Yeah. Strawberries, pineapples and apple.
I can't feel out of being a land tartar gomininic. Is too much off hostel as James of Flyer to James. Get your tattoo.
Oh, come on. Bro rested up. Ray lay on saoire. It basically like go tart, go ná tart here aine ach tart pinty. It means no se grian amach tart sports agus tart pinty. Agus sin an 10 road it means my era.
You're so crazy.
I'm so crazy.
Thirsty.
To my air that, you know, hot boy summer, but respectable boy summer. So ni my gera tada, you know, really grow and shoe and mate. Okay. So my gera sports, my gera pinty, my gera grow. Okay. Yeah. No, should have more anti-pulling haircut. Should have more aerodynamics. Should have rudderings ig sagrief go hindoor ach dus ma was get heen was 4 seconds pel agus dinne ma bolscut begum heen so me man dan flyer hard snare nís skipui like 0.3 second skipui.
Sorry, respectable boy summer. Shane Jerring Kindle the Doiny is fair like our sheeser. It's like and that near to court to like summer bods, not near to
Oh no talk.
Okay.
Alright, we'll get to that.
But you know, in like or continue like being dingy Gary like summer bod or those like I don't know like revenge bod or like you know this isn't the Falklish or whatever. But this is like no Shaw or why he's through Hain. This is self-care. Shy like Fane. No. Okay, never mind.
No. Basically, Kevin, yeah. So to my 100% if we like to my unemployed. So you know. Woo! Yay! August need tablets in them. Honestly, need tablets in them. Go my laptop play out there. Oh, see what looks law. Kom op post, schreef my sus basically about, basically schreeving down, you know, all that fun stuff. Achin, Jose law ni tal reads in them, so to me the raw sessions a law. So
Jesus.
So my plan all I failed in the galley to have a revenge bout card, yeah. Yeah.
Armset.
No, I think we're stad most like can stad at the heel. So yeah.
No, I've not mentioned in my instance it's or the wear the fast. It's like being the Camry or the dull chimple heart and that whatever. Hey. And then it'll just be glistening like rippling abs.
Their hookers block TG Carriage, I tell you that. They will shoot themselves.
The me too. Well let's go to Nerta Lady Di a kayaku and Guna do on revenge dress.
Oh yes,
they're hagan and call scar tree leis Prince. Higlam just James a how to swan all sta if fail the galley and the Guna chan do her.
That would be
topless.
You would Doc Ratchet.
Topless like splash baby oil.
Splash baby oil.
Spray tan fight again. Chiseled.
James Bond of Florida is just like Neil argue people are carrying so but just the cream to stay is Mac.
Shaw Cash though shaved or not shaved though Shaw
you know stubbly look you know the
but like
ready, you know.
But like and Shaw this is it's coming for Shaw you know Keiko
stubbly look fashion you know
yeah
the mildly wild you know because Bima doesn't have the cream to so
mildly wild
so gosh come have around the kidney because I tires on version. Just to let you know, version, there's no ill feelings towards the fusty of arm that had mar hin. Ní had revenge
No.
pod go fusty. The
No.
revenge pod go chun a bheith na fucking forréilm. No.
Agus just le bhéh saoir, this is le haid respectable boys summer.
Mhm.
Sean.
He knows his
100%.
worth.
Ach, like, tá sé seo ina basically chum héin really, tá má
Yeah.
gáil, tá gneart sports am sa saoire, tá má gáil fion haar lágimmer sports sa saoire. Tá má sin ina, but ag an nám céanna, why not have a bit of a, revenge body?
Is brad an drama the show like that. Dini go live like Kate she kind of
It's mission. I'm telling you, it's mission.
Freshen, like, tá respectable boy Samhradh because, like, aon who could sus am féin na galí. Tá má duna cínte could be at the cart humps up. No.
They'll have boxes to check. Head boxer and ban who? Yes. Shine.
But Neil says to go ni mai a genuine Kinishan James. Kate have might it just came out well.
I don't know been shot Ermsa new shot in the mrá bad vi mal that.
Say no more, I'll say no more.
Ní romagsún le seo leis an chat seo ar Harbí agus mu chuirtús leis an céad réimh hafa de agran bhí le an agran beaging agus sin bhí agran an Google seo dochreite. What an tús an saoirú den Scott. The summer of James is well and truly upon us.
Summer brain. On.
Genu ein série gal ein série sibh in don saoir có gá lenne.
Yeah, actually, well, an deir seachna seo tá mé idul síos go dún garbhan a Bortláige le Cillian, mar tá muidir dul má 8 mblion ag an caiiciise. So I know.
I'm telling you, Anya.
I know. I'm just like
I'm fine. Just sort of book all a nail appointment in sin and another Yandy.
Yeah, I've come in the French tips agenda.
Oh my god.
And then to me Douglas Seville sa Spain again. Shinam ni again Misa stoilum? No, Jeremy Belton to my dolls. So
it's in the Seville.
Just vi brella mom and Lena, so to my hain mom Antina as McCall Cahar Dullicay like gal's trip. Beisha anshe.
Yes.
Then acted in a fire guess, so Bé muid I lab, but me just súla tapas agus sangria agus sinné really.
Just le reference fashion go gatain bhí géisiat 8 mbliana sin 9,900 fiche lá.
Oh my god.
Sin 9,900 lá níos múna ein cadidir bhí am mé.
Tá seo ní scanra le hosí mu dul má I dhéhíl sa séideag.
Sorry.
I know.
Need even a boxers also of shades.
Just le smuit like the kind of Ewo hortage da keiko ada is attention, right? Cinema again Captain America Civil War, The Nice Guys, the Angry Birds movie. This is cinema.
You're not even Marvel Kirchni on you.
You know how you really tossed it, really. Like we should
Is cuivilum muid a dul hig na scanan sin agus an muid curtis le dul mal in like I think it was a Civil War hartar nam sin beidir.
Yeah,
vi na Captain America's yeah. Well is go Kane Oran a vi more and the sin.
Oh god.
Oh man.
Justin Bieber, sorry. Zayn Malik pillow talk.
No.
Rihanna and Drake work.
No.
WizKid One Dance.
No. Oh, stad.
Chainsmokers closer.
Snan blian a full Trump elected.
Oh god.
It been blian again a Ru Leicester on Premier League.
No,
blian River.
I think it was in blian in the A, no.
No, I think it was 2015 or 16.
To Cart, actually, yeah. I think Cart took it, but Shin crazy though.
Yeah,
I mean co-harjas. I mean that's I feel like that should named kid go to non-sticker la ending you go out the
yeah, they just can't say birds are chronically single like so this
okay, well speak for yourself.
And not will too? Well the Negan August?
Yeah.
Bill.
No, níl.
Okay. But you would this go lean as hard lar, but rivet us to queen because I'm sure it does a queen.
Well, Sean Rudd, right? Agus seo like tá hun like úsad seo more accountability do hain, right? So the couple extra wide go to Gary go higna Elan Aaron because you're onto Rio.
What?
Yeah, you're my real in Elan. Isn't that
Okay.
mental? But you're like few nach Roma really if could you like yeah, in the country, in the
Well,
like
is close in the near just máach a garú agus just go máach ar an áring like.
yeah. So come Gary sin enu an saoire seo. Be dul bháile leis an gang, like as in like the much car just nó sá genid like tripli an tus was go duná so ra sin agus tá mó so an rut go mór accountability na tá má Gary dul go London le méar for Echo cos bhí si trocha sin couple shafting hun agus tá Gary like sir bugí anu leiche tá dad in é bogu go no it's shot showing bogu go Stockholm like sa Tuland yeah the number like the base like Chevy
obviously
yeah the number no just for the fun he's just
my father's estranged
yeah he's finding himself
Chunig Tinder of Sweden
oh fair honestly fair but
stop you should call Mama Car
no Tinder like jobs you can meet friends at Tinder Jesus come on
no Bumble shouldn't have the cards not pay
I think with that Tinder version
I just meet ghosts.
The really far corruption we have to use that.
I just feel like her, just never mind even lie.
During the side question, you know.
So the dad booged into well, and so the Magari doll or faoi like Tummel, Halenshin, Marie and Saru. But Kaima like figure all them woman on actual to reach because Firma like piano machas because made chart the rash as Philadelphia. And I think we'll pinch nerve of them. I think I'm nearly sure goal.
I'm aired like na stucky na compression socks to the guy.
Sean Rudd. So Kaima Dolly and Doctor just figure them out.
No, that's such an old man thing.
I know. That's what I mean. Like so Kaima should figure out or do Suller Bookham should again I mean book color in actuals whatever. Because I just think it'd be really funny. That mission like Sally mission is a dull freed security or whatever, and then like rolling up the trousers as a chish pant and stock a more shaw like tight like lever of a house. Like I just think it'd be hilarious.
No, just be wearing your like Donegal GA shorts.
I guess the stocky.
Agus Nair Jordans.
Oh yeah, full kit. Full
so,
kit.
Rapina the Hoshlin flight her father a team like really team.
The linen flight, it was like yeah, and then in the like Lena got it was grand. But it's initial and Rodathon is that to like say you know like to the Dutch math and the Dutch class or whatever and like just my brew say for example like the thing with the current fish whatever could be Malau Mahas whatever I was like the ad with that like I could slap it like I could dance it or whatever but like to like punch away or mo class that my vruma that I get like a tingle in mo layer more so I'm like okay that must be a pinch nerve because it's like it has to be like a neurological thing whatever like Neil on really it's just unless if I start whacking my nerves, which I think is fair. Gamochin being were, but Nelaine like the Malone Shul, the Malone Dowsa, the Malone genuine brother, like it's grand. I just kind of have to get that sorted in the solar chamber flights or agla na hagla.
That's so funny.
It's so funny. It's like it's actually gas. Sadly, there's been talking about Rash and Chatty hugging, and it's like yeah, they've amputated. They had
emergency landing.
Holla scale fi lad a were food poisoning. Sna octogy? That's na nachagy. As we a whole auction girl arhu fall rayla kasiga.
What?
Like that was the level of like gur worship food poisoning if you call that gur hoksha like necrosis on like ain't like really octa agus viar fall rayla kasiga. Just because of a dodgy fish, like or a dodgy like chicken, like.
I mean, could le Janie could dig like don't shot a coma might eat to reach at an umrika bacteria because apparently reach like tarn in stew and shesta druk bacteria like in caidé or they need to really now say ahu.
Oh yes, so, yeah.
Yeah, but kind of like really a cold calma. It's gonna reach has to be piping hot, but níl rilí ná sé ihe a ríis. Agus ag le bheith ag le donna tú warú le tá sé go holg sin. So big ihe ríis, yeah, tá té a sús ríis. Lesson to be learned.
Listen, don't touch that Uncle Ben. Navi.
Don't touch that microwave, the pouches microwave sin the Uncle Ben's. Mar tá siad leach ócailte.
Oh yeah, you're a
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
Na ríis.
Reach a reach. Na
Ríis.
reach.
Ma tá ceacht le a fólamhe ó agran seo aniu. Na í ríis a ríis.
Na I reach. Fight the revenge bod.
Agus cai compression socks.
I was like compressions.
Well, níos am céad chuir hiú, cheim go má chumsa compression bodysuitecha leis a chuohí mis táháil as Boston.
That's the Shadu. Can I harl it?
Ó bhí full on 5-hour panic attack amsa táháil as Boston.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's my own doing, like me.
Mark Hirsch had text on her dag shot, a risky text, and then he put his
No,
phone in
no,
airplane
no.
mode, and then he was just like,
Seachtain téráid an thing in Austin
Yeah.
agus chum out of flight is you churad absolutely grand. Céad a bhí mu húsna air agus bhí bhí ggéir tu mo chola a cheap ma tá hití mo chola gur go básáil. Míall bhí mo chrí a go absolutely 90 bhí man ná chola beat go mo chrí a fíáil.
Oh.
Agus bhí mis
Nothing
just na chuúireach leid si a chu díreach sí man an agus éonar bhí mar dós ará bhach má flingáil mo chud lábh choláit. So I think a bhil mar cholan na timppla le mo lábh bhach mai just get my héna chuneáil marúiseach a bhí me droch bhealach. Ran mar goodwood hunting ar amach choráis agus an tain nachchatá mar a film sin nach se chuúgiúach leid fáda mé hééis like all go levy mar like kids a fucking in the man is like
Scotland eile in Scotland.
oh ní rock in má like vi my gamers games agus vi like oh freaking shicht my game in like 2 minutes is oh Jesus Christ kit that tarlu
Is spralam na kin like trivia im rin tú le dini eile atá ar detlog mai like kid fui like Tyrolis and stuff you're like don't be a show off. Tá bín dini an do ní swear.
vi cholen na cholle like so vi my like ní man dan.
James, it's not your fault.
So chemisch gro emergency rude go aine máhwale just fucking stop at Greenland and things.
Santa Garth
But tá sin úfasa níl rud a bí ní spasa sin.
So héidir elevéis me go a long haul mar hin, which would be gan couple me. Ní ma got shacht and beer in
Yeah.
river flight, so that would be
Sin, and I hate to say it, seo ish. Ní ro panic attacks mar sin armsa godí like yevli an hin. Níl mo jabalta nísmo just ag an seal.
Oh, I think we're na horrors a chollene.
But sin ru a geshcom ní bheitha mar sin da me ha fi a hain, you know?
Oh, vi dini at a flight lum vi fi an version
Okay.
droch valach. Okay, based on our panic attacker, but I think there's a fucking the demons go Brian Terry's a going y'all cost a kill folks because if you shouldn't cost a whole if he was on so okay.
Oh my god. Wait, so can I to go get Canada no?
Yeah, Toronto. Tíocha hían ú úl.
Okay.
Yeah, so go anún ar fe caiiciise ag gimmert AFL ar sun foran na hhéan.
Ooh la la.
Irash in Amden Phicnic.
Yes, unless go má fannacht Holland, but
James. Tá Kylie Minogue you have to be there.
Ní Kylie Minogue and then is smooth at mis go ag on picnic.
So it's just exciting when you know I can, well.
In fairness, tá chéadach a bhád ní sinna aonach eile. Let's be real.
No, Kylie agus Ray ar an donach. What are you on about?
Yeah, no,
I'm kind of fair.
Tá sam. Cé a river no at least. Tá denníos mór.
No, to Jerry Cinnamon in EA. Yeah, like by Shingo Mai. Okay, Sahern's a bit Calvin Harris and Codeline.
Yeah, basically just to see Queen river Calvin Harris and then just to see Damsig's Queen like Calvin Harris.
So take him good, you know, to Codeline and Shimiala Gwil, Bana Aaron Akiola in lineup.
Ní Aldo.
Tina she'd kneecap and shin, she'd niece relevant tá óra níos mó cumníana tá an scanan acu like tá siad ahananta go leornis le bheith úsan sin I mean níl an méid céine genta códlein le blianttí nos
Well, an rud is seoir dó ná tá na Wolf Tones in isis go bheith a main
I
stage.
know agus
Yeah.
san na Waterboys go le bheith so bheith sin class
So, agus ús cin seoir faoi seo
Oh.
tá daise I go bheith an, which Hugh will only love mé tá ceolathe viral a TikTok.
I know exactly Kate to the country, and I know exactly Kate
That's
Flat
it.
to the Gary
Austin.
Cén óra
Is that Austin?
with your boots there.
Oh no an siise Tá go mé James an sin
Oh, what
Right.
a goat!
In the fucking Stetson niggas a fucking
In a boots there.
Yeah.
Oh, full on shebang. Boots,
Absolutely.
booty shorts, tank top, cowboy hat. Oh, respectable boys summer, tell you that.
Respectable boy summer in booty
Yeah.
shorts.
Booty shorts, yeah.
Ní hé sin na dinge tá sil leáil an airing a to be
Yeah,
honest.
so my get
I
line up
know.
all the Johnish, agus my get follow amach. Because tá go lór daoine éid I tá gur eiceáil. Ach, ní sam mé héin agus hiú feiceil le chéile lehí an ócáid in éon fás gan ócáid.
Well, be mis Kylie Minogue anyway, absolutely Kev and Gate. No,
Oh, well, they must look at Kylie Minogue, she thought doing in the road, like.
Yeah. Be Mike Fateless, 100%. For my little rave. Nas, absolutely. Traha Blian of the Illmatic. And kind of the rap album is fair Rio. New York State of Mind. Absolutely unbelievable. Big Sabian Crack My. By Sophie Alice Baxter Crack My, but I feel like
Yeah,
she fecked him like
Oh.
shower. So
But like
yeah,
Sophie Alice
the hinter.
Baxter is basically on version in Leanna as go
Rick Astley and her
Rick Astley and Ora.
yeah or an
It's just like an Ora on the one agus you're bob to your dropless an Ora
Well,
agus
well, Chiapa shin, but Nurhanic Mushi via Wadney's more Oran Eki than Gur Chiapma, as in like the Bops Ella Eki that like Goroshi like more like feature that you would never have even like copped.
Okay.
Like that was the Archer was like, well, if this ain't love, then why does it feel like Shin Sophie Alice Baxter?
Oh yeah, Renee
mental. Well, like it's ni Eshaton, it's like Bana Ella, but is she and like an Arani whatever. Yeah.
Jenny she or such like.
Oh yeah. So like ta couple of bopiki.
Ta Jazzy Gullivet on, ta Kojak, ta Moncrief.
Yeah, look, lads, I can't wait to live on Equina Meal. Like ta Moncrief on, ta Roy McMullen.
Oh God.
Ta Dean Lewis.
Oh God.
Damien Dempsey. Teddy Swims, Tom Grennan, like Codeline. This is all.
Name should like Codeline. Absolutely not. You should have a couple of Blino in, and I avoided them. Queen Maheg. She can now make Casa Bacardi, you know.
Oh my God.
No, absolutely not. Because the Togan Shay Shisu, like your local production, need to give even like in rock kind of in rock quee.
I'll just be bopping heart, Morris Craft, finding the most random of acts.
Yeah, Marangana.
More, yeah.
Well, she should like forbidden fruit.
Yeah, take it out.
Come in, Dolga Jadoni, and actually, Hussa, you fecker, ta Barella, Hugh, and Iha Rib forbidden fruit.
Oh, it's neat. It's neat here, isn't it?
Well, maybe should just Dulhig and Donach, ni my Dulhig forbidden fruit.
That's Iha right?
Like you.
Ta Barella Iha Hard.
No, because it's bank holiday Monday.
Bank holiday done.
Chuck him
I was gonna say
Ben Doris Dunce.
Ní can.
Please.
Ní can.
Creed ní na féiltí sin lua like a hanjag, no?
Yeah, true. I'm sure there's a car now one.
Yeah.
Yeah, kill Mainham.
Literally.
Well, literally then, yeah, bit too non just shot Jurek in the A.
Sin enter shaft in the candle like come to spell the gut.
Oh well.
How should do an airy faster?
Yeah.
Was come spell the gut up there faster. Listen, Kai should Ahu. They need to consider why won't they consider what I want? You know?
Well, in fairness now, need mood to go on, so you know, I need something.
Bayesian classed up A Forbidden Fruit. Nelly Furtado, Freddie Gibbs, Groove Armada, Overmono, Gemma Dunleavy, it's just really might be all Chubby Cat and Shaw. The other voices. Is that class?
Yeah, I know.
Cooks but were chefs. Great.
I'll be honest about just a gin funny deli.
Yeah, fair.
Tan irid sin bopsaí like.
I'm a genuine watching a reach where it's like it will come out that I am making up band names as I go along, but no,
Yeah.
Tash and Fear.
I'm going to be honest,
Right.
stop my gate of taste chubby cat.
Yeah, we literally see I was like Nadine Gage was like, they're gonna be like, yeah.
Chubby cat. I think it's just
Okay.
rather Hugh Massa Winyo because I'll share name already Visha Fecal. Like chubby cat.
Or why that's
Lampshade. Bench green. Green bench. Yeah, green
Laptop.
I
White
ghosted.
Green shed.
No text back. No
the football special posters.
Seansálaithe tá ggurc ar mo playlist April 2024 like can dhéanam nar amisiam like áran nua ó sa mugmon, and I'll just read out the band names in etch na anime den áran, and I swear these are all real, right? Max D Radio, Basement, Amble, she's actually airing
Yeah.
Chapel Roan, I think we'll ask anything you're Taper with an exclamation mark, Blonde Shell, Spanish Love Songs, Aaron West and the Roaring Twenties, Can't Swim, Shide and the Banny Gator Lot. These are the vibes that I bring to the function. So I think it must
Yeah.
Sean laat the China me.
To just dig out in this fairness. Ach, go le Hugh, Heaven le de verla betúna de verla hosi amana clia.
Yeah.
Dol rach moet druk go clia le law. Always cup doch. F moet bus go carring. Spend met on le come to pen the 2025.
Was that was kind of
Better believe it.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
ni ve mis goal ma tomu go come to ruta Heaven because Ben was junior so yeah, you know, be mis chin that current Ben goal mach as a chalice cup le rudder fad, so you know.
Not Dory to get about do so though, like more like Brunton is Spretla, like as a little treat.
Yeah. Turn out sipping.
Ma bogan to go Canada, I gap to go to get to the rash like train. I'll got shocking. Do you think you'll make it?
Been club severely in the overdraft.
Been laptops these goals I got about the Grimmer to Zoom.
Oh my god, yeah. Just let two handles with little gloves are. Random Shanekel, I would actually pay great money le Shanekel.
How to be a virtual goalkeeper.
For dummies. Tá saoire maiid le teach lads. I think go se chun na bheith.
Yeah.
Dúirlumm sin rí na seachtainge so tá chuna bheith fi seachta gin mí agus dúirlumm go bé fihe seacht an blian is fair a bhí a couple duine bhil after go marthú.
No, I don't agree, Gadisha.
Oh god. Oh no.
I mean, Muffy shot fairly good now.
I don't know. Mohim go miss a quarter life crisis. You know?
Quarter? Jeez.
Yeah, Lauren Galordini for
the fear of Flahu Latin. Which is a 3/4 life crisis.
That's a lot. Come on, let's get.
What does Amsterdam am I going to Martha because he what? 27.
Yeah, but Tarning she's good Darning shade.
She made 108.
Okay. That's still Cade, what Cade?
I mean, modern medicine.
Modern medicine, this is true. The dirt can much cardulum and like shot a couple of the whatever. It's like sagey. It's like kind of the thing you split to Latin Marhu. Agus Dirchilum Low, and she was like, you know, go babe jinging blue and journal to come bless, all right. And I was like, what? Because yeah, modern medicine, like in again, like, you know, Fuinama will like awkward Poashi flashes to us that they will have just eradicated death. And I was like, all right.
What?
Cool.
Fuck
Cheers.
What? So they're gonna keep living in a world that's crumbling.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound that good.
Woo! Did they get a big on risk, like, no.
So true.
What's that? Need to get a good amount chin, like, Dan regard the behad, like, go to non survivor of the bit. Like, kind of bug on fear of that, you know?
Yeah, I think there's no one I think that exemplifies risk níos fearr na James of Florida. Yeah, I think
Be cracking daoine am hochreid like fucking that'll be something I'd like to be at, but sure look.
we're gonna make it happen. Bay to one, just ní bait 2-1.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be there in spirit.
Oh!
Woo!
Right, okay, come your god, because 7 arms re-higging over. But Shelley that Irish out in the Shansia was spotted with your lads earn the man host amateur Shansia or Instagram, Shansia or Twitter, or Shansia or YouTube. Say that garbage any galanta. Mas the Gary Anya Amsterdam the man host Tashi more anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, because anywhere or TikTok. Mas the Gary James Amsterdam the man host I guess check out the progression of the revenge bot. It's fair that they or Flahertak or Instagram, Flahertak or Twitter, Flahertak or TikTok. Is Matt the Gary Mahane Amsterdam or in the mind host to them Hugh Carr here Twitter, Hugh Carr here Instagram, it's just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, anyway, that guy with your flog on it, Suller Chainwood or saoire Banke, Egg Toos and saoire.
Ma that should be get takeíocht a thuirt go AFL na Héireann tá links imó socials chun takeíocht túting agus nervvéis an nóchan agad fáte ag gatainine tá chulapín sa leis i gágadtí an Irish Cancer Society. So tú takeíocht chumsa agus go carnacht fíorchar go arghrí. So mí buchas má thugann aonine aon takeíocht dúin.
Yup. Yeah, Carmage and Nas because this Savaio. Establishing. We're straddling the line here. Sunar na whole Callaghan in Agranelli anyway.
Ach ní mu a stradlan chorbe an saoire seo.
Oh Jesus Christ. No. Straddle. Right, okay. Buddy is on the church shouting. I was buddy sold the church shouting of father. I was have a nice long line. I'm sure Johnny he sold. I was payment rash chat shaking la agran or da shatslia. Slan.